Hi, fifth graders. Today I just wanted to show you how to log into Prodigy. So Prodigy is a math game that we're going to be using in fifth grade, and it will go at your own pace. So that's kind of a nice thing about it. But also we'll just play it if you have rotations sometimes, or if we need a review game, this is a good option for you. So you need your login that your teacher gave to you. And if you look up here, you're going to go to play Prodigy or prodigygame.com, and it says it right on your ticket that your teacher showed you or gave you. Then you're going to see this screen come up, and you're going to click login. Once you get here, you will type in your username that your teacher gave you, and then also your password here. That will then get you into your screen. Now, once you click login, you will be asked to choose an avatar. So you will have a little game person, kind of like this one right here, and that person will get you through this game. This game is, like I said, math review at your own pace, but throughout the game you have different battles that you have with other people, and at the beginning you're going to have a placement test. So there's math questions, and if you win math questions, then you get to move on in your battle. So hopefully today you get in and you create your avatar, maybe start on some math problems just to get it figured out, and then we'll go from there. All right, bye guys.